Hey everyone, Brian Stevenson here with Real Estate Law Plus, and today I want to talk about executors. When you're working with a client who is selling a property as a executor, there's a deceased individual who is a registered owner. The property will need to be transmitted into the name of the executor who's received the probate and the grant in order to actually act on behalf of the estate. Now, a very important thing here is when you go to list a property with an executor, please take the time to ensure that that property has either been transmitted or the grant of probate matches with the name on title. We have a client that we're working with where unfortunately there was a transmission that has yet to occur and is being delayed as a result of a grant of probate that occurred out of province, and when they were doing so they didn't match the name that was on the BC Land Title Office title record, so as a result there's been some delays. So something to consider when you're working with executors essentially is engage with a lawyer sooner rather than later, particularly before you're listing the property if you have the opportunity to, so that they can check to make sure that all the necessary things are in place to transmit that property effectively into the executor's name and get that property listed. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please feel free to reach out. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to share it with anyone, please go ahead. Hope everyone has a great day and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.